Today, we are going to learn about the letter A, the first letter of the alphabet. A is a vowel, the first out of 5 that we will learn. Each vowel makes at least 2 sounds, the short and long vowel sound. The A makes 4 sounds, but the first 2 are the most common. So let's take a look at each of these sounds. The first sound is called the short A. This sound is made by having the front of the tongue pushed forward and touching the bottom of the inside bottom teeth. The tongue is rounded slightly upward. Ah, ah. A, the short A. Ah, ah. Apple, apple. Are you doing this sound with me? Ah, ah. Good. In the beginning, sounds can be a little uncomfortable or awkward, but don't worry. Your mouth, your vocal tract, they just have to get used to them. Let's look at some examples with this short A sound. Be sure to repeat these words with me. Apple, apple, apple. Add, add, add. Ant, ant, ant. Bat, bat, bat. Rat, rat, rat. Cat, cat, cat. Sad, sad, sad. Dad, dad, dad. Had, had, had. Ran, ran, ran. Ah, that is the short A. Ah. Can you think of more words that start with the short A sound? Most 3-letter words that have an A in the middle make the short A sound. If you can think of any more, write them in your notebook and practice them. The second sound the A makes is the long vowel sound. Remember, every vowel has a short and a long vowel sound. For the A, it's A, A, A. The long A, A, A. Make, make. A. The cool thing about the long vowel sound is that you just say the letter and you're making the sound. The letter A has the long vowel sound, A. The long A sound is made by having the tongue neutral in your mouth. As the jaw closes, the tongue moves upwards towards the tooth ridge, and the sides of the tongue touch the upper teeth as you finish the sound. Look at this chart and let's look at some examples. Remember to say these words with me. The A says A for that long vowel sound. So I will say these words a few times. Make, make. You hear the A, make. Apron, apron, apron. Able, able, able. Agent, agent, agent. Skate, skate, skate. Lake, lake, lake. Ape, ape, ape. You're going to be learning a lot of vocabulary in this course just by practicing these words. Age, age, age. Paint, paint, paint. Very good. All of those words contain the long A sound. Most words that have an E at the end of the word cause that A in the word to make a long A sound. The third sound is called the broad sound, the broad A sound. So this sound is made by having the jaw relaxed, the tongue is low in the mouth and touching the bottom teeth. Ah, ah. The broad A, ah, ah. Father, father. Say it with me. Good. Now let's look at some examples. Father, fa, father, father. Water, water, water. Ball, ball. It's that ball. All, call, call, You can hear the sound in all of those. We don't hear the A in the last word call. We're not saying Cal. That would be a boy's name, Cal. If we said it with a long A, kale, that would be a leafy green vegetable with a Kale. So the correct sound for those vowels, it's important because it changes the whole word. Yeah, let's look at that first word too. Father. If I said it with a short A, it would be like father. It's not a word. If we said it with a long A, father, it's not a word. So we got to use that correct A vowel sound, the broad sound, father, father. Do you see the difference? Very good. The fourth A sound, it's actually the short E sound. So we'll be looking at this later as well when we look at the letter E. But this A can sometimes sound like a short E sound. The short vowel sound is made by keeping the jaw and lips relaxed. The sides of the tongue may touch the top and bottom teeth. Eh. When the A sounds like the short E, many. Did you try it? So let's look at these examples together. Be sure to say them with me. Many, me, many, any, anything, anywhere, anyone. So let's practice all of these sounds together. We have a, Did you hear the difference? A, ah, eh. Can you feel your mouth and jaw changing? One more time. A, ah, eh. Very good. Now we are going to read just a few sentences, but in these sentences, you will hear all those different A sounds. Are you ready? My father makes me mad when he takes my ball away. I like to play anywhere and with anyone. Many times I race my friends when I am at the park. Sometimes I fall. We like to drink water after and then eat apples. Were you able to identify those different A sounds? I hope so. You did it. Your first letter. Keep watching this video and practicing as many times as you need. The vowels can be a little tricky because they make many sounds. So the vowel videos will be longer than the consonant videos. But you did a great job. I'm proud of you. That's all for today. I will see you tomorrow for a new video.